Welcome in HYSYS Please enjoy your movie. Dear colleagues, welcome in HYSYS In our lesson today, we will talk about heat exchanger with HYSYS. We will divide our discussion in two parts. Part 1, how to deal with heat exchangers in HYSYS with a simplest way to obtain an easy method to make a heat balance. In part 2, we will learn how to deal with a most complicated one, how to rate our heat exchangers in HYSYS with using of calculations of heat transfer coefficients and heat transfer area. Don't be afraid, HYSYS will do this, not you. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will open a new case. We will view our master component list. To simplify our discussion, we will add a single component of water. I typed water because I chose full name. Add pure. You can use a hydrocarbon mixture or a petroleum assay as pre-described in our previous videos. You can find it in the list in the site HYSYSadvisor.tk. From flow packages here, we can add equation of states, Bing or Benson, the most one I prefer. Enter simulation state. We can add our heat exchanger by double click here in this window. We can choose the stream's name, tube in, tube out, shell in, shell out, heat exchanger name E1. We can close this window now. We can drag our heat exchanger to here. We can now configure our shell in stream data. Composition 100% water. Okay. Conditions: temperature 25 degrees centigrade, pressure 10 kilopascals, mass flow rate 300 kilograms per hour. This okay in the green bar confirms that our stream is okay. Tube in,